Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to fix a small screen in DaVinci Resolve 18. And I think you already know what I mean. Sometimes you just see your frame, you just see your picture here in this small frame, but you want it to fill the whole window. What you want to do for this is on the upper left corner here, just click it and then go, for example, for me, it's now on 25%. Just go to fit, and then this should be the normal screen. Of course, you can also increase or decrease it a bit, for example, 50% or even 75%. Okay, that was a little hack on how to fix your small screen in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.